Welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to add shortcuts to the S10 Air Command menu. So the first step is to just navigate to settings, and then once you're in settings, you're going to scroll and select the option Advanced Features. Under Advanced Features, select S Pen, and then from here, you're going to choose the option Air Command. Under Air Command, you're then going to go to Shortcuts, and then from here, you can see all the shortcuts or all the apps that you can add to your Air Command menu. So the first four options are Drawing Assist, AI Assist, Create Note, and Screen Write. If you want to remove any of these options to make room for others, you can just tap on this minus button that you see on top of that app icon to remove it. If you wish to add a shortcut to the Air Command menu, then you're going to go ahead and just select it and it will be added. So you can scroll through the list of options or apps that you can add, simply so that you can use them as shortcuts whenever you're using your S Pen. So for example, I've added messages. I can even go ahead and add Gmail, and I can choose to add Apple Music. Once you're happy with the shortcuts that you've currently added, then you don't need to do anything else. You can just now go ahead and close the settings app. And now whenever you bring up the Air Command menu on your tablet, you should see all the shortcuts that you had added have been listed here. Alternatively, if you want to add a shortcut, you can always just bring up the S Pen Air Command menu. And then at the very bottom, you should see this option Add. When you tap on it, it will then bring you to the exact same menu, and you can go ahead and select which items you wish to add to that Air Command menu. Once you've selected the items, you can then close the app, and then when you bring up the S Pen Air Command menu, you should see the newly added items have also been listed. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.